Hello everyone, welcome back to the Random Life. Just got back from the dyno and did pretty good. You'll see the numbers. Um, so where I took it to was called Shore Tune in Georgetown, Delaware. Um, his name's Sam, and he'll do tunes for Hondas and Chevys and such. So if anybody's interested in that around that area, he's a great guy. Check him out. Um, wasn't really a long video because it's already tuned, so I didn't really have much to do but run it twice just to see if if there was any difference. But other than that, that's about it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Out here at Shore Tune in Georgetown, got my car on the dyno. About to do a couple of hits on it and see what kind of horsepower we get. So stay tuned. Alright, going for the first pool. Got here. Max 306, 315. Man, not bad, though. Not bad. Sweet. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be much different. Alright, so. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed it. I had fun out there. A little nervous putting on the dyno. It's been a while and I just did all the work to the car, so I'm pretty happy with the results. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. And please subscribe if you haven't, if you're watching this. Really helps out so I can do things like this or more in the future. Lots of plans, see what happens. Appreciate y'all. Peace.